Hi, my name is Maddie, co-founder at Learnify Health. This video is for our presentation at Advanced HE conference. In this video, I will show you Learnify Health, a low-cost, accessible platform, which is AI-powered, designed for case simulations, helping practitioners to iteratively learn using micro-learning principles. In this demo, I will show you several cases that we've designed with help of EDI specialists for embedding EDI in curriculum. In the scenario space, once logged in, the practitioners are able to access several scenarios that are designed. Once selected the EDI, there are several cases. In this case, Fatima, which is from a patient demographic with a limited English proficiency, and Alex is a transgender individual. In this demo, I will show Alex's case where for each of these scenarios, we provide onboarding. The practitioner is onboarded with information, clinical and EDI checklist for delivering the best care for the patient, in this case, in the simulation. There's onboarding space, there's interaction space where the individual is supposed to interact with the characters available, which you see on the left. And in the in the feedback space, the AI standardized feedback is provided for the practitioner. Once I start the chat, the timer starts ticking in this case. And in this case, 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes is provided to the practitioner. And there's also like the characters are available present, which is Anna is a partner, Alex is a patient, and add member is also like available for any form of escalation. On the left, you can also see the lab tests can be requested, or the medication can be also provided, estrogen, for example, in this case, to the patient, and and several other tabs for escalation and reporting. The interaction can be text-based or audio-based. For example, hey Alexandra, how do you feel today? For the purpose of this demo, I'm doing deliberately safeguarding. I'm triggering the safeguarding in the app. In this case, Alex mentions that is Alex. It's better not to be Alexandra. To use Alexandra, or the text could be when was your last period? And the interaction can be seamless with any of the individuals present here. Nurse, do you have the results in hand? And results referring to. I'm making an assumption here that the person on testosterone, which mentioned by the patient, don't need pregnancy test, and the learning time learning provides hints in this case, which I can accept or reject, and we get several feedback while the conversation is moving forward. We get hints from the app as well, which is another AI model that is observing the conversation. And once the chat is finished, an immediate feedback is provided to the practitioner. In this case, the checklist that was provided to the practitioner is evaluated based on this information, and a graph of performance is also demonstrated here. As you can see in this feedback page, the conversation is analyzed and is evaluated based on the performance of the individual. A summary is provided and several EDI-aware communication feedback is also given. Learning center pointers are also provided. An area of improvement is suggested to the practitioner. Now it's time for the practitioner to replay and come back and self-reflect and be able to, in a low cost fashion, try and get as many feedback as possible. Hope this demo was useful. We're open to questions. Thank you so much.